What's up, guys? It's me, Karim, and finally I'm finished with the One Direction parody video, and it's up. I posted it up. As you can see, I'm a little tired because I broke night editing it because I wanted to release it on time because I have to do something today. And well, as you can see here, it's up. So far it is at, let's see here, it is at 301 views, which is not bad at all. So thank you guys, thank you so much for all that, and thanks to True Story ASA. Right now I'm gonna head off and go to my friend's place, chill, you know, maybe shoot a couple of videos and just play some PlayStation All-Stars and just relax because I think I need some time to take a break. I got my camera here. It's on my back. You see it? Okay. So right now, a little bit cold. Not that cold though. Hello. I'm holding the camera, phone, talking to it. Feels weird. I don't usually do this, but I guess everybody just should get used to it because they do it on YouTube and stuff. So, okay. So I'll talk to you later then. So I finally found a place. I didn't get lost. Because I usually do. I always get lost. Yeah. Alright. 6th floor. Let's see. Let's see what they're doing. Watch. Hidden camera. Oh, shit! I knew he was gonna do that. I knew it. I got it on camera.
You see me through the camera?
Yo, so I'm here with my friend George, and this is Noah. Say what's up, Noah. And this is D. You say what's up, Noah?
What up, dog?
They're making me look mad dumb, yo. Anyways, this is George, the guy who started up the channel.
Yo, what up,
back in the
everybody?
day.
Yo, I got my Fox Sound shirt.
That's the coolest shirt ever, man. And they're playing Far Cry 3. I haven't tried that out yet, but tell me in the comment section below what you think of it. Right over there. Looks pretty sick.
Word.
Right? George helped me start the first channel, if you guys remember that back in the day. So it was way back for like a social studies class and something like that. Remember that shit?
Oh, yeah.
With Mr. Blum? Yo, I met him actually.
Really?
At a gas station, yeah. He was at a gas station and I didn't talk to him because he was an asshole. Alright, so check out Noah. He got amazing long hair. So he's gonna share some with me. Check out my hair now. I look badass, yo. Yo, check out my hair now. See, look at that. George is like the master guru now, so he has this incredible new essence. Oh, that looks like sugar to me.
Frankincense and myrrh is what supposedly one of the three kings. Well, the three kings brought Jesus
Oh,
the
Yeah.
day he was born.
Yeah.
like crack to me. Is that enough?
Yeah, it's good. That's that super crack.
It's from Arabia, man.
Yeah.
Crack from
Right? It's from Arabia?
Yeah.
See?
It originally came from Arabia. That's
burn
where they
yourself.
used to get their wealth before oil. It was frankincense.
Yeah, don't burn the bed either.
Being a different type of lighter. That lighter sucks.
Yo, as an Arabian, I do admit that we come up with the weirdest shit. Like a bounce. Look at it, he's lighting it like a bounce. Oh, it's catching. It's catching. Dude, I feel a revelation already.
Magic.
Yo.
Some Arabian magic, son.
I know, man. Us Arabians, yo, don't play with us.
Yeah,
You cleaning,
that's
man.
what I'm doing.
Nice.
Yeah. Yo, look what I did, though, yo, yeah.
What you can do.
Are you
I'm
gonna
about
kick
to fuck Kareem up.
one? We'll see about that.
Alright, you're up.
Alright, now we're heading to the arcade in Chinatown. Check out George. Ninja. As you can see, he's excited. He's excited to go to the arcade. You're crazy, man.
This is what we do, you know what I'm saying? Where they at? Where the victims?
The little rogue victim.
What's up, man?
Doing this one.
People turn around like so puzzled.
Yeah, they're like, what the hell's going on?
What is that?
My name is Leroy. Niggas on this, niggas on that, niggas on me, cause I know I'm so black. Niggas on there, niggas on here, niggas on here, niggas is queer. This is what I meant. I don't rhyme, shit don't make sense.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're at the arcade right now. I've never been here. It's in Chinatown. It's pretty cool. They got a whole bunch of stuff, and we're gonna have some fun.
But look.
Oh shit!
This sucks.
How long do you think the wait is gonna be for?
8 hours.
How much money are you getting, George?
I'm gonna put a $20 card.
Guys, if you ever want to feel really healthy, drink kombucha. It's very good. My brother put me on it, and it has bacteria in it that helps you feel better, and it cleanses your body. Insane, right?
That's
Yeah,
right.
and it helped the guy who made this, the woman who made this. It helped her defeat cancer. So, you know that's good for you. Kombucha. And no, they did not pay me for this. Although, guys, if you do want to pay me, you know, that'll be great.